Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create and remove accounts on HUAWEI MateBook D16. In order to do this, just go to your settings. Then in settings, go to the accounts. And now just scroll down until you see other users. Now click on that and go to add account. Click on that. And now it'll ask you to log into the Microsoft account of that person, but I don't think you have this person's sign-in information like email or password. So if you don't have it, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information, and now you can either create a Microsoft account or click on add a user without a Microsoft account, which I recommend because that person, if they want, they can sign in with Microsoft account later, but they don't need to. So click on that. Now enter the username of that person. So I'm gonna name it quickly. Now enter a password. You can skip that step. You can leave these two fields blank, so it will not have a password, but I suggest you setting it up. I'm not gonna do it now, but I suggest doing that because it will make it more secure, especially if you're planning on having that person as an administrator account, because if you are, then not having a password is really unsecure. So I'm gonna click on next now, and then you can also click on this arrow to change account type between the standard user or administrator, although I wouldn't recommend setting more than one administrator account, since your first account that you already are on is most probably an administrator. Then I wouldn't recommend giving other people access to administrator privileges, but it's up to you. Then to remove the account, you need to click on remove here. And now I'm gonna show you how to re-log in two ways. So the first one is gonna be while you're logged into another account, and then how to re-log in from the lock screen. So I'm gonna click on the start button, then click on my account name, and now I can click on three dots and just re-log into that account. Now I just need to sign in, and I'll need to wait a moment for the first login because it has to set up some things, and after that I'm gonna show you how to re-log in from lock screen. And here you have some questions, so I'm just gonna click on next, but you can review them and disable some of the options. And here you can see I'm logged into that person's account. And now I'm gonna show you how to re-log in from lock screen. So to do it, I'm gonna first lock my screen. So I'm gonna click on Windows and L at the same time. Now I'm gonna just click on anything to go to the login. And you can see here I have two accounts. So I'm just gonna log into my main account. Then I'm gonna enter my fingerprint or password, and I'm logged in. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.